Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'm going to be showing you gold next big move that is about to happen, and that I want you to prepare for it so you won't miss out. That is the major reason why I'm doing this video. So let's just get into the video right now. But before you go into the video, I have to apologize to my subscribers. I'm so sorry for not uploading videos since actually I was facing some issue right here in Nigeria, and then especially on my TradingView premium account. My TradingView premium account got expired, and then I was trying to subscribe back, but it wasn't going. And then I tried a lot of ways just to go about it, but none of them is working. And then I think sometimes ago one actually work. After working for like a day and 2 days, they refund my money back, so they denied the payment. So I'm so sorry for that. If you're from Nigeria right here, and then you have a premium account, or you know a way that I can make payments using $1, because Nigeria just banned the use of using your debit card to make purchases online, like for paying for making dollar payments. So I don't have access to like $1 right now. So if you're in Nigeria and then you know a way that I can have access to dollar, please comment in the comment section, and then I'm going to be leaving my number in the description. You can just message me. I'm open up to learn, you understand, from you, please. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so sorry, but right now I'm back. I'm still going to be doing video back like before. So let's just go into the video right now. So actually right now price is under consolidation, and then if you check on daily time frame, let me just go to daily time frame right here. 1 day. So on daily time frame, actually I told my student that they should analyze the market of fish. There's no particular strategy I'm teaching on this particular channel, and then if you don't understand the strategy yet, you can go back to watch some of my videos so you can understand the strategy. You understand? It's so simple. The strategy is so simple. So on daily time frame right here, you can see that price end up breaking out this particular high. So price end up breaking only this high, and then price not break. It's not the same moment that end up breaking this particular high. Can you see? So price end up breaking only this high. According to my strategy, it says once price end up breaking only one particular high, don't use the order block. It can be a demand zone, it can be a supply zone. If it's only one particular single level that price end up breaking, don't make use of it. Use the order block below it. Actually, I told my students to analyze the market, of which they analyze market, and then they're able to get this particular area of which price is probably going to respect. You can see that price officially come into this particular order block and they respect it. This is where market is when I gave them the assignment, and then I think market was around this particular place. This big move is here to output there, so I told them to analyze the market to see where exactly the price is going to. And then I've mentioned that earlier. You can see that price end up breaking only one particular high. Any single time price end up breaking only one high, use the order block below it. Don't use the particular order block unless if price broke too high. You understand? So right here price end up breaking only one high, then you can go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry, and then to increase your risk to reward ratio. You understand? But right here price is still what under consolidation. Let me just delete this. Okay, let me just put this for new people watching my video. If price end up breaking too high, so you can make use of the order block, and then if price end up breaking too low, then you can make use of the order block too. You understand? But if price end up breaking only one high, don't use the order block, use the order block below it. And then if price end up breaking only one low, don't use the order block, use the order block above it. Hope I'm clear enough. If you don't understand, you can watch some of my video. I always mention this, and then that is the particular strategy I'm using. It's so simple. It's so simple, guys. So right here price come all the way to respect this particular order block here, and then I told my students about this. I think in our last video, this way we enter into the market and the price end up stopping us out. I could remember I told my students immediately when price end up taking us out, I told them that okay, price not going to respect this particular low yet, so price is about to break price about to bring this particular low, because on weekly time frame, if you check weekly time frame, sorry, 1 week, if you check weekly time frame, we're expecting price to break this particular low here. We're expecting price to break this particular low, and then probably respect this order block in this particular place. So this is where I'm expecting price to actually come to. And then if you go back to daily time frame, so on daily time frame right here, you can see that price end up breaking too low. Actually, this is where we enter into a particular trade that we end up losing that particular trade because price is going what's on a bearish direction, and then because of weekly time frame is saying that price going what's bearish direction to take out this particular low to form what a change of character, not a break of structure but a change of character. It can only be a break of structure if price end up going below this particular order block here. So that is when it's going to be what a break of structure. But if price end up going below only this particular low here, it's just like a change of character, and then price will probably do something like this, come down and then go up again. Price will probably come all the way down and then go up, so and then keep on going on a bullish direction just like that. So I'm just expecting what a change of character to occur in this particular place to deceive trader that market's already going what's on a bearish direction, which is not so, you understand. So right here you can see that price end up breaking too low, so price end up breaking this particular low here, and then price end up breaking this low, so making this particular order block what a reorder block. I told all my students, they did this particular analysis. I gave them as an assignment to find a perfect order block inside this particular order block to know where exactly price is going to inside this particular order block. So the reason why we are doing that, just like going down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry, just like to increase our risk to reward ratio. For example, here, if you share this particular entry, if you enter into the market here and then you set what's your stop loss, you set it here, and also your take profit, you set your take profit here. This particular low, because this is the low you're expecting price to take. So this is just like 1:3 on daily time frame. This ratio is very small, so that's the reason why we go down to lower time frame. You can check some of my video. You can end up like a trader is going to give us like a 1:20, 1:30. Actually, I think one of my students did this particular analysis, and then the ratio was 1:50 something. I don't remember. I also did it. Mine was 1:52. So you also can do this by yourself. Watch on my video. I did a video on how to like to go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry to know exactly the price is going to. So, but let me just give you exactly what I'm expecting to occur in the markets right now, because market is actually consolidating. What I mean by consolidation, just like this is the last low here, and then this is the last high. This high here, can you see? Price is just like in between, and then this what's consolidation. So if you have to like to study the markets very well, price is actually creating liquidity. So let me just delete all this line. Let me delete this also, and then let me delete this. Let me delete all this. So right here, if you check the markets very well, you can see that price is what under consolidation. This is the last low, and then this is the last high. If you check the market, you have what liquidity here. Can you see this high? This high is the liquidity, and also this particular high. And then if you check this low side, it's also a liquidity, but retail trader call it what is support level or a resistance level. But as an institutional trader, we see this as what a liquidity in the market. It gives us a sense of where price is actually going to net. So what I'm just expecting market to actually do is just like to first take out this particular liquidity out, this high and also this high, to take out this particular liquidity out, and then probably tap into this particular order block. So once price gets into this particular order block, then price can eventually come all the way to tap out this particular liquidity. Can you see we have a lot of money is resting below this particular place, a lot of funds are resting below this particular place. So I'm expecting price to go up like this, probably tap out all this liquidity. Then after tapping it out, it's going to be a massive move, and then probably price is going to like to come all the way down, and then to get into this particular order block. So this particular bearish movement is going to be what a very massive move. You understand? It's going to be a very big move, because it's going to happen certainly. Market is going to go like very fast and then take out all this liquidity, because a lot of people are buying this particular place, especially retail traders. Then there's a lot of funds resting below this particular place, so price is probably going to like to take the one above it first, and then respect this particular order block, and then come all the way down inside this particular order block. You understand? But if you want to like to set your take profit, let your take profits be in between this particular place. It's not compulsory for price to get to this particular area. So this is just what I'm expecting to occur in the market. And then if you check the markets right here, price actually consolidating. This is a daily time frame. You go down to lower time frame, you can actually find so let's just go down to like a forward time frame. Let me just show you. So on 4-hour time frame, probably I think price also creating like liquidity, good like creating liquidity. Can you see price actually creating liquidity here? So price probably going to like to take out this particular low and then probably respect this particular order block and then use it to push back up, then get to this particular area. So this is just what I'm saying. Price probably going to like to come down, then from here get to this particular resistance level, do as if you want to respect it a little bit and then finally break it. So this is what I'm expecting to occur in the market, and then after that price start being what on a bearish direction. After price gets to a real order block inside this particular place, then price can eventually start going what on a bearish direction. So that's just what I'm expecting to occur in the market. But if that does not happen, so let me just give you another approach. So let's just go back to like daily time frame. So right here, these are on daily time frame. So if price not take out this liquidity first, then if price end up taking out this particular liquidity here, if price end up just going probably, let's say price gets to a particular level here and then probably come all the way down. So this particular order block is not going to hold anymore. You understand? Price is going to like to take out this particular high also as a liquidity. So this order block is not going to hold. The reason why this particular order block is going to hold is just like price have to break this particular low, like it's going to break this particular low. So it's still under probability, but just like 90% price outside to break this particular low. So so that is the reason why this order block is going to hold. But if price end up breaking this particular low before getting to this particular order block, there's no any point of price respecting this particular order block. Price is going to like to break it and then take it to as a liquidity. You understand? So just have this in mind. If price end up if price end up breaking this particular low, price is probably going to like to go above this particular high. But if price not break out all this liquidity, I mean this particular low here, this particular low, if price does not go below this particular low, but if price does not go below this particular low here, I mean this particular low, and then price is probably going to respect this particular order block. You understand? If price does not go below this particular low, price probably going to respect this particular order block and then use the movement to come all the way down to break it. You understand? But if price end up breaking it before respecting this particular order block, price is not going to respect this particular order block anymore. Price going to like break it. You understand? So you have to understand when price has fulfilled the purpose, every single order block has the reason why they price out to respect it. So once that particular purpose has been fulfilled, there's not any point of price respecting the order block. So that's just for that. So if you have any question concerning this, you can ask in the comment section and then I'll give you guys answers to that. And then for you to get more insights about my strategy, you can join my mentorship program. My mentorship program is open. You're going to learn how to like making what you should 10, what you should 20, what you should 30 upward. And then for people that want to join my mentorship program that I have to like to keep waiting, you can message me right now, just like to join. You understand? The mentorship program is open back. I'm so sorry for the delay. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. And then if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. I really appreciate that. And then like this video. If you're watching this video right now, like this video. Thank you for doing that. See you in my next video.